Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Radio, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real life conversations. I'm Sarah, your English teacher for today.
And I'm Jonathan, your learning buddy. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here again. Sarah, what's our topic today?
Today's topic is something close to everyone's heart talking about family in English. Family is such an important part of life, and being able to talk about your family in English is one of the most useful things you can learn.
That's true. We talk about our families all the time, at school, at work, with friends, even online.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, one of the first questions they might ask is, "Do you have brothers or sisters?" Or, "Tell me about your family." So, today we'll learn some easy words and phrases to talk about our families in English.
Sounds great. I can't wait to learn and practice.
Let's start with the basics, the words we use for family members. Repeat after me, everyone. Family.
Family.
Good. Now, family means all the people who are related to you, your parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, and more.
So, my mom, dad, and my little sister, they are my family.
Exactly. Let's go through some simple family words. Mother or mom, father or dad, brother, sister, grandmother or grandma, grandfather or grandpa.
Okay, so I can say, my mother is kind, or my father likes cooking, right?
Perfect. That's exactly how to use them. Now let's practice with examples. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
My mother works in a hospital.
My mother works in a hospital.
My father loves football.
My father loves football.
I have one sister.
I have one sister.
Nice job, Jonathan. You're doing great. Now, let's talk about extended family. That means other relatives, not just your parents and siblings.
Extended family like uncles, aunts, and cousins?
Exactly. Here are a few more words. Uncle, your mom's or dad's brother. Aunt, your mom's or dad's sister. Cousin, the child of your uncle or aunt.
Oh, I have many cousins. My aunt has 4 kids.
Wow! So you can say, I have 4 cousins. Now let's add one more, nephew and niece.
Oh, those are confusing. What's the difference?
A nephew is your brother's or sister's son. A niece is your brother's or sister's daughter. For example, my sister has a baby boy. He's my nephew. My brother has a daughter. She's my niece.
Ah, okay. Nephew equals boy. Niece equals girl? Got it.
Now let's practice a real conversation. Imagine, Jonathan, that you meet someone new. You're introducing your family. Ready?
Let's go.
Okay. Hi, Jonathan. Tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a small family. My mother is a teacher, and my father works in a bank. I also have one little sister. She's 12 years old, and she loves singing.
Nice. That's a perfect introduction. Notice how Jonathan started with, I have a small family. You can also say, I come from a big family if you have many relatives.
So if I have 3 brothers, 2 sisters, and a dog, I can say I come from a big family, right?
Exactly. And don't forget the dog. Pets are family too.
Yes, my dog is like my brother.
Mine too. Okay, now let's learn how to talk about your parents' jobs or what your family members do.
Okay.
You can say, my father is a driver. My mother is a nurse. My brother studies at university. My sister works in an office.
Can I say, my dad is retired?
Yes, perfect. Retired means he doesn't work anymore because he's finished his career.
Got it. So I can say, my dad is retired. He likes gardening.
Excellent sentence. Now let's talk about family activities, things you do together. You can say, we eat dinner together every night. We watch movies on weekends. We go to the park on Sundays.
My family loves watching movies together. Last weekend, we watched an action film and ate popcorn.
That sounds fun. See, you can already describe your family and what you do together, all in simple English. Now, here are a few useful tips and common mistakes when talking about family in English. Tip 1. When you talk about one family member, use my. Example, my mother, my father, my sister. Don't say, I have a mother, she is teacher. Instead say, I have a mother, she is a teacher.
Yes, 2 sentences. That makes it clear.
Exactly. Tip 2. Be careful with plural words. It's parents, plural, not parents. That's possessive. My parents are kind. Right. My parents are kind. Wrong.
Good tip. I always mix that up.
It happens to many learners. Tip 3. In English, we often say, I'm close to my family to mean I have a good relationship with them.
Oh, so I'm close to my family doesn't mean we live close to each other. It means we love each other.
Exactly. That's a very good point, Jonathan.
This is fun. Are there any cultural things about family words in English?
Yes, in English-speaking countries, people usually use first names when talking to family members, like mom, dad, grandma, etc. But in some cultures, people use titles like father, mother, or specific names for older siblings.
Yes, in my culture we say big brother or elder sister.
That's beautiful. So when you speak English, it's okay to use my big brother if you want to sound natural.
Got it. So my big brother helps me with homework is correct.
Perfectly correct. Let's do a fun mini quiz, Jonathan, and everyone watching can answer too. I'll ask a question and you answer in English, okay?
Let's go.
Question 1. Who is your mother's brother?
Hmm. My mother's brother is my uncle.
Yes, very good. Question 2. Who is your father's father?
That's my grandfather.
Excellent. Question 3. Who is your sister's son?
Oh, that's my nephew.
You're a fast learner today, Jonathan. Okay, one last one. Question 4. Who is your aunt's daughter?
That's my cousin.
Perfect. And if she's your uncle's daughter, still your cousin. Easy, right?
Yes, very easy now. I feel confident talking about my family in English.
Wow, Jonathan, that was such a fun lesson. We learned so many useful words and phrases to talk about family in English.
Yes. Now everyone watching can introduce their family, talk about what they do, and even describe family activities, all in simple English.
Exactly. And remember, practice makes perfect. Try talking about your family with a friend or write a short paragraph in English after this video.
That's a great idea. And don't forget, we love hearing from you. Tell us in the comments, who are you closest to in your family and why?
Yes, we'll read your answers in the next episode. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like this video, Subscribe to Simple English Radio and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you for learning with us today. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, English is easier when you learn it with friends.
See you next time on Simple English Radio. Bye, everyone.
Bye.